This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by William Cannon. Extravagant and luxurious lakefront estate located in the exclusive gated Waterstone Community in Windermere. Expansive open floor plan with stunning wood and tile floors throughout. The master bedroom is located on the ground floor and features a private patio with scenic views of the lake as well as a custom walk-in closet and an amazing master bathroom. An additional suite is located downstairs, perfect for use as a mother-in-law suite or guest bedroom. 4 additional junior suites are located upstairs, 2 of which access a private balcony and also have views of Cypress Lake. The ground floor offers a dream kitchen, which overlooks the family room and takes full advantage of the beautiful pool deck and lake views through the glass wall of sliders that pocket back to merge the inside and outside living areas. Automatic drop-down screens throughout the pool area. The formal living room, with gas fireplace, home office, recreation room as well as a large media room are also located on the ground floor. Enjoy the very best that Florida lifestyle has to offer by relaxing under the evening sunsets over the lake from the massive pool deck/patio. There is an oversized pool with a heated spa to add to the enjoyment of this estate. This is an entertainer's dream home with a large driveway and roundabout as well as an oversized 3-car garage with attic storage. Located at the rear of the subdivision, makes for easy walking access to Windermere Prep. Minutes from Disney attractions and all major highways. This is a 6+ acre lot with a fully gated backyard, great for pets. Pets are negotiable. Available for the new year on January 1st. Lawn and pool maintenance are included. Property is being offered furnished or unfurnished. Some furnishings in the pictures may be different or may be removed. An inventory sheet will be provided as required. For more information, review the details below or contact William Cannon at 954-693-0100.